Hello watch fans and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we'll be showing you something very special. This is one of the most sought after vintage Lorus Mickey Mouse watches, which is a musical watch. So we have a Lorus Mickey Mouse musical watch with two musical functions. So you have two different songs on the left side. Now these watches were made in the 1990s and some are also made in the 1980s. Lorus is a Japanese watch brand made by Seiko, so it is owned by Seiko, and you also get that premium quartz movement or quartz quality that Seiko is known for. Here on the dial we have Mickey Mouse, and we can see that the hour hands are the actual hands of Mickey Mouse. You can set the time by pulling the crown at 3 o'clock. You set your time and then you simply push it back in place just like on any other watch. Now the interesting feature, so the neat thing about this watch are these two extra buttons. Now the first song, so the one played by the first button on the top left, it's A Small World. So let's hear that one, and you can also look at the second hand of the watch because it will actually play the tune of the song. So let's see the first one. And now you can see that the second hand goes back to its initial position so that it continues on ticking. So that was the first song. Once again, it's A Small World. And the second song, it's the theme from the old Mickey Mouse Club. Some people also refer to it as the March song. Now let's play it. So that was the second song as well, guys. Here on the watch strap we can see that we have a Mickey Mouse pin. So this is the original watch strap. The pin is actually pinned to the watch strap. It has some signs of aging, which is normal given the fact that the strap is almost or above 30 years old, depending on when exactly the watch was produced. But we also shipped the watch with a new extra leather watch strap in case you want to change it. Maybe you want to preserve this original watch strap. There are many collectors that want to do that. So that was the video, guys. We have some other musical Mickey Mouse watches as well. Most Mickey Mouse watches from Lorus come with only one song. Here on the left side we can see that they only have one button. So there are different variations of these musical watches. Here we have another one. So once again with only one song, but with a completely different dial. And let me show just another one, which is one of our favorite pieces. And that is this one. And as you can see, also in pristine condition. Once again, only one song for this as well. That is why this particular model is so sought after, because it actually has both songs. So that was the video, guys. Please leave a comment below if you ever came across such a model. Maybe you owned one as a kid, maybe you own one now, maybe you have a different character musical watch. Let us know. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time, keep safe, guys. All the best.